Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it in.
Can I get some food? Where's my food? Where is my... Oh, there it is.
Emotional, damn it!
Let's do this.
And we're live.
Do that again. I don't think they got it.
How is it?
Appetito. Good.
I know. It's just dumb.
You do a lot to me, boy. Why can't you see that you do a lot to me, and anything you need, you'll get it from me. What if I touched me? And what if you watched me? What if I said all the things in my head? And what if you touched you? And what if I watched you? What if you said all the things in your head? Then we would be in the same place. We would be face to face. All the seeds build it up higher and higher. Work your way around it. Don't be afraid to touch it gently. I'm so readily available to you. Work your way around it. Don't be afraid to touch it. Honestly, I'm so readily available to you, boy. What if I called you and told you to come through? I'll play the roles. Will you take control? Baby, baby, do it again. Over and over and over and over, over and over again. Then we would be in the same place. We would be face to face. All the seeds built it up higher and
So this is purely optional. The sugo is done now. Feel free to enjoy, add it to your favorite pasta, and maybe finish off with a little parmigiano or not. I'm actually going to add these olives because this is a special kind of sugo we've made today. But again, this is optional. Optional. To make a more rich, a more savory tomato sauce for Jones. You like those, right? Now,
Alright.
you've seen me working, you've seen me cultivating and creating. Now, Mr. Jones over here is going to give the ultimate seal of approval, or not. Or not.
You know it's gonna be approved. Alright, can I eat now?
Please
Can I eat now?
enjoy your pasta.
Alrighty.
Buon appetito.
Alrighty. Wow. Oh, this is the best. Yes, this is really
Did I knock you out?
amazing. Yes, you did. Tap pasta. A lot of people don't know that they have such a thing. This is good. Pasta is, and sugo, the sauce. Bursting with flavor. Tangy from the olives and the tomatoes, and got a little kick going. Got some parmigiana
And some gut. Did you pick up the gut?
and good.
I snuck in some chilies because we're African.
I need the heat. Love the heat. So yeah, it was good. I got it. This whole, think I can't finish it? I can finish it.
And that's it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe again. And with that, I'm going to eat this sitting down. I can't stand up no more.
Bye.
Bye.